together half a cup of shortening and half a cup of butter in a stand-up mixer. Now add half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you're going to add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're going to gradually add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Now you're going to add 12 ounces of white chocolate chips and 3 ounces of macadamia nuts. Now you're going to put them on a non-greased baking sheet. Now it's time to bake them in the oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Before enjoying your amazing cookies, take them off of the pan and let them cool completely on a wired rack.